Tired of slow internet speeds ruining your gaming sessions or work meetings? You're missing out on lightning-fast performance because you're still using outdated cables. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Ethernet cables that will transform your internet experience forever. Mention your affiliate links in description. Number 5. DbillionDa Cat 8 Ethernet Cable. This heavy-duty option stands out for its exceptional outdoor capabilities. What makes it special? It features a weatherproof design that can handle direct burial, making it perfect if you need to run cables underground or through harsh outdoor conditions. Here's the thing about this cable. It uses 26 AWG construction, which is significantly thicker than the standard 32 AWG you'll find in cheaper alternatives. This translates to faster, more stable data transfer that won't let you down when you need it most. The cable supports up to 40 gigabits per second speeds with 2000 megahertz bandwidth, ensuring your AI smart devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home get the reliable connection they deserve. Number 4. UGREEN Cat 8 Ethernet Cable. The standout feature here is its exceptional anti-interference technology. It utilizes 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs with F-FTP construction combined with a pure copper core and gold-plated RJ45 connectors. This combination virtually eliminates interference, noise, and crosstalk that can plague your network performance. What's impressive about this model is its incredible durability testing. UGREEN put this cable through over 10,000 bend cycles without failure, proving it can handle daily use and repositioning. The cotton-braided exterior not only looks premium, but adds an extra layer of protection that prevents tangling and wear. Number 3. CABNEER Cat 8 Ethernet Cable. This 25-foot cable strikes the perfect balance between length and performance, making it ideal for most home and office setups where you need to cover moderate distances. CABNEER focused heavily on compatibility and reliability with this model. It works flawlessly with Cat 7, Cat 6a, and Cat 6d devices while delivering the full Cat 8 performance specs. You'll get the complete 40 gigabits data transfer speed and 2000 megahertz bandwidth, which absolutely destroys Cat 7's 10 gigabits and 600 megahertz limitations. The cable construction uses S-FTP technology with 4 pairs of shielded twisted copper wire. This double shielding approach effectively reduces EMI and RFI interference, ensuring your data transmission remains crystal clear over long distances. Number 2. Smolink Ethernet Cable. This 50-foot cable brings something unique to the table, a flat profile that solves common installation headaches while maintaining full Cat 8 performance standards. Smolink engineered this cable to deliver lightning-fast 40 gigabits transmission speeds, which is 4 times faster than Cat 7 alternatives. With 2000 megahertz bandwidth, you'll experience seamless HD video streaming, lag-free gaming, and instant file transfers that make your internet feel truly unlimited. The flat design isn't just about aesthetics, it's incredibly practical. This design prevents tangled cords and saves valuable space during installation. You can easily run this cable along walls, around corners, or hide it under carpets without the bulk and visibility issues of traditional round cables. Number 1. Dacrown Cat 8 Ethernet Cable. This cable combines professional-grade construction with versatility that makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor installations. Dacrown created this cable specifically for users who demand the absolute best performance without compromising on durability. The construction quality is where this cable truly shines. It features a pure copper core with aluminum foil shielding, woven mesh shield, and premium PVC outer cover. This multi-layer protection approach provides unmatched durability and weather resistance. The gold-plated RJ45 connectors ensure perfect compatibility with servers, gaming consoles, streaming devices, and networking equipment. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.